Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 26, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Which day is celebrated as Independence Day of Georgia? Answer, May 26. Independence Day is an annual public holiday in Georgia observed on 26 May. It commemorates the 26 May 1918 adoption of Act of Independence, which established the Democratic Republic of Georgia in aftermath of the Russian Revolution of 1917. Second question. India has signed a 3-year joint work program with which country? Answer, Israel. India and Israel have signed a 3-year joint work program till 2023 with an aim to enhance cooperation in the field of agriculture. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said on Monday. Third question. Who has been appointed as the new director of CBI? Answer, Subodh Jaiswal. Subodh Jaiswal, a 1985 batch Maharashtra Cadre IPS officer and chief of CISF, has been appointed director of the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI. Current affairs appointments. First point, Italy has for the first time appointed a woman career diplomat, Elisabetta Belloni, to head country's secret service, Prime Minister Mario Draghi announced on Wednesday. Second point, the Border Roads Organization BRO India on April 28, 2021 announced that Vaisali S. Eves will become the first woman officer to be appointed as the officer commanding in the Border Roads Organization BRO India. Third point, Wipro has appointed Tulsi Naidu, Chief Executive Officer, Asia Pacific Zurich Insurance Group, as an independent director on the board for 5 years with effect from July 1st. Fourth point, retired bureaucrat Neelam Sone assumed the office of Andhra Pradesh State Election Commissioner recently. Fourth question, NPCI has partnered with which company to promote contactless payment across the country? Answer, Paycor. The National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) has partnered with Turkish global payment solutions company Paycor as a certified partner for RuPay SoftPOS to promote contactless payment across the country. Fifth question, which company has launched Pay Later scheme for their customers? Answer, FreeCharge. Without the need of any card, the customer can pay their wide range of digital payments. Sixth question, who has been appointed as the new head of Israel's spy agency? Answer, David Barnea. Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu announced on Monday that David Barnea will be the next head of Israel's Mossad espionage agency. Barnea, 56, a veteran of organization, has been its deputy head for the past 2 years. Seventh question, name the Olympics record sprinter who passed away recently. Answer, Lee Evans. Lee Evans, the record-setting sprinter who wore a black beret in a sign of protest at the 1968 Olympics, then went on to a life of humanitarian work in support of social justice. Lee Evans. Lee Edward Evans, born on 25 February 1947 and died on May 19, 2021, was an American sprinter. He won 2 gold medals in 1968 Summer Olympics, setting world record in the 400 meter and 4 into 400 meter relay. Evans co-founded the Olympic Project for Human Rights and was part of the athlete boycott and Black Power movements. Current affairs. M.K. Kaushik was a prominent member of India's last Olympic gold winning team and also a successful coach for India. He died on Saturday due to COVID 19. His 1980 Olympic teammate Ravinder Pal Singh also died on Saturday due to coronavirus. It was a tragic news for entire hockey world. Second point, three-time national table tennis champion and international player V. Chandrasekhar passed away here on Wednesday due to COVID-19. Eighth question, when is Vesak Day observed, also known as Buddha Jayanti? Answer, May 26. Vesak, also known as Buddha Jayanti, Buddha Purnima and Buddha Day, is a holiday traditionally observed by Buddhists and Hindus in South and Southeast Asia as well as Tibet and Mongolia. More points. Buddha's birthday is a Buddhist festival that is celebrated in most of East Asia and South Asia, commemorating the birth of Prince Siddhartha Gautama, later Gautama Buddha, who was the founder of Buddhism. More about Gautama Buddha. Gautama Buddha, popularly known as Buddha, was a Sramana who lived in ancient India. Ninth question. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Republic of Congo? Answer, Collinet Makoso. Republic of Congo's President Denis Sassou Nguesso late Wednesday appointed Anatole Collinet Makoso as the new Prime Minister, the presidency announced. More points. Anatole Collinet Makoso, born 1965, is a Congolese Prime Minister. He has also served in the government of Congo Brazzaville as Minister of Primary and Secondary Education from 2015 to 2021 and as the Minister of Youth and Civic Instruction from 2011 to 2016. Republic of Congo. The Republic of Congo, also known as Congo Brazzaville, the Congo Republic, or simply either Congo, is a country located in the western coast of Central Africa. Tenth question. Who has won men's singles title at Geneva Open Tennis 2021? Answer, Casper Ruud. Norway's Casper Ruud has won ATP Geneva Open final by defeating Denis Shapovalov. Victory in Geneva means the Norwegian world number 21 is going to be among the top 16 seats in Paris. 11th question. Which organization has proposed $50 billion global vaccination plan? Answer, IMF. The International Monetary Fund has proposed a $50 billion global vaccination plan that would cover at least 40% of global population by the end of 2021 and at least 60% by the half of 2022. IMF, its managing director is Kristalina Georgieva, headquarters Washington DC, chief economist Geeta Gopinath, main organ Board of Governors, parent organization United Nations, and formation is on 27 December 1945. 12th question. Who has chaired 74th World Health Assembly recently? Answer, Dr. Harshvardhan. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Chairman of WHO Executive Board, Dr. Harshvardhan chaired 74th World Health Assembly in virtual mode. 13th question. Which microblogging app have raised $30 million in Series B funding recently? Answer, Koo. Koo, India's own microblogging app, has raised $30 million in Series B funding It said in a statement on Wednesday, adding that Tiger Global led the investment round. More points. Ku is a microblog in Indian languages. We are here to help Indian express themselves in the easiest way as possible with the objective of democratizing their voice. Share your thoughts in text, audio, or video. Current affairs about app. Yono SBI joins hands with Shivarai Technologies to launch small form accounting app Farmiso Khata. Second point. Now corona patients in Jharkhand can book hospital beds online through Amrita Vahini app launched by CM Hemant Soren on Friday. Third point. The Central Board of Secondary Education has launched CBSE Dost for Life app for psychological well-being of students. Fourth point. International Criminal Police Organization Interpol has launched a mobile application ID Art for identifying stolen property. 14th question. Which state has merged Ayushman Bharat scheme with Arogyasri scheme? Answer. Telangana. The Telangana government and National Health Authority NHA have signed a MOU to implement the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana in the state immediate with effect. 15th question. Who will be hosting Rome G20 Urban Summit held on October 2021? Answer. Italy. The G20 Urban 20 Summit 2021 will take place ahead of G20 Leaders Summit 2021, which is to be hosted by Italy in October 2021. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.